Visual communication.
Hello everyone, Claudia Gertz here. Today I have 5 quick tips how to make your trace more rounded on Adobe Illustrator. So stick with me. First of all, we will start using the pen tool to draw aleatory points, and after that we will use direct selection tool. Pick up this guy here and make him more rounded your shape. It's very easy. All right. Number 2 is smooth tool. First I will draw a cloud. Doesn't need to be perfect. After that, I will click in smooth tool and just go over of my trace. And you can tell your shape is going to be more rounded. Number 3, the pen tool. With the pen tool, you can draw curvature shapes. It's very simple. You just press and hold your left button of the mouse and drag into the position you desire. Also, you can preview how your shape will be. Number 4, Stylize. It's another simple way to make your shape looks like more rounded. So just click in Effect, Stylize, Round Corners. Also you can preview and make it more rounded. Number 5, just draw a square, go to Object, Path, Simplify, and here you can simplify your curves, make it more rounded. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know more ways how to do this, please leave in the comments below and subscribe on my channel. Bye!